Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful starter recipe made with eggs. It's called golden coin eggs. Sounds very interesting, isn't it? So why wait? Let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I've taken about 5 boiled eggs. First we're going to slice the eggs. Now I'm using an egg slicer to slice these eggs nice and thin. If you don't have it, you can just slice it with your normal kitchen knife. But just make sure that the egg slices are a bit thin. So once you've cut the egg into thin slices, place it on a plate. So the next step is to dust the egg slices with corn flour. So make sure all the egg pieces are coated with the corn flour on both sides. So now that we have coated the egg slices with corn flour on both sides, we're going to shallow fry them. To a pan, add a little oil. Now gently start placing the egg slices on the pan and fry them to a nice golden color on both sides. Once it's turned to a golden color on one side, flip it to the other side. Coating the egg slices with corn flour will keep the egg yolk intact and it will give a nice binding. So once you've fried the egg slices, remove it and keep it aside. To a pan, add a little oil. Once the pan is heated, add some finely chopped garlic, some finely chopped ginger, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 small onion finely chopped, next add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, next add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons red chilli sauce and about 2 teaspoons of ketchup. Next I'm adding the spring onion whites that have been thinly sliced. Now gently drop in the fried egg slices and carefully mix it along with the sauce mixture. You can see it's coating the egg slices beautifully. They're already beginning to look like those beautiful gold coins. So finally I'm garnishing it with some chopped spring onion greens. So this fantastic golden coin eggs are ready to be served. Make sure you serve them nice and hot. It makes for a very nice finger food and it also makes for a good starter. You can enjoy it as is or you can serve it with some nice fried rice by the side. It's up to you. So if you're looking for some nice recipes to make with eggs, this is one recipe I would recommend you to try. I'll give you a couple of links of other egg recipes that I've made. You can check them out as well. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. Golden coin eggs. Well, they literally look like golden coins to me and the taste is just amazing. It's a very easy starter recipe that you must try and it makes for a perfect finger food. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.